If you have Capital One miles and you're not using them correctly, you might be leaving serious value on the table. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Capital One miles for flights in 2026. Step by step, and how to get the most value out of them. First, you need to understand something important. Capital One miles are flexible. You're not locked into one airline. That's one of the biggest advantages. There are two main ways to use your Capital One miles for flights. The first way is the easiest method. You book your flight normally, and then you erase the purchase with your miles. Here's how you do it. Step 1, log into your Capital One account. Step 2, either go to Capital One Travel and book your flight directly there, or book your flight on any airline website like American Airlines, Delta, United, or even smaller carriers. Step 3, pay for the flight using your Capital One card that earns miles. Once the charge posts to your account, go back into your Capital One rewards section and look for the option that says Cover Travel Purchases or Redeem for Travel. You'll see your recent travel transactions. Select the flight purchase and choose how many miles you want to apply. Typically, Capital One miles are worth 1 cent per mile when covering travel purchases. So 50,000 miles would cover $500 of flight cost. This method is simple, flexible, and works with almost any airline. But it's not always the most valuable option. Now let's talk about the second method, which can give you more value. You can transfer your Capital One miles to airline partners. Capital One has multiple airline transfer partners like Air Canada Aeroplan, British Airways Executive Club, Emirates Skywards, and others. When you transfer miles to these programs, you can sometimes get more than 1 cent per mile in value, especially for business or first-class flights. Here's how that works. Log into your Capital One account. Go to Rewards and select the option to transfer miles. Choose the airline partner you want. Link your frequent flyer account, enter how many miles you want to transfer, and confirm. Once the miles are transferred, you go to that airline's website and book your award flight using the transferred miles. This method requires a little more research because award availability matters. But if done correctly, you can sometimes turn 75,000 miles into a flight that would normally cost $1,500 or more. So which method should you use? If you want simplicity and flexibility, use the Cover Travel Purchase option. If you want maximum value and are willing to search for award deals, transfer to airline partners. One more tip. Always compare the cash price of the ticket versus the miles required. Sometimes paying cash and saving miles for a better redemption later makes more sense. In 2026, travel rewards are all about strategy. Capital One miles are powerful if you understand how to use them correctly. If this helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more credit card and travel hacks. And let me know in the comments if you prefer simple redemptions or maximizing transfer partners. I'll see you in the next one.